Hi there friends, my name is Gillian Perkins. I'm a digital business strategist, and in this video I'm answering a question from one of our Startup Society members. This question comes in from Stacy Bibe, who asked, for the button that directs them to the next page I want them to visit, if I ultimately want them to purchase a course, do I want them to visit information about the courses or to a free downloadable resource to get their contact info for a monthly newsletter? So basically what Stacy is asking here is, what should the main call to action be on her website's homepage? Now, first of all, this is a great question because Stacy is thinking about just the right thing. She knows that she needs to direct her website visitors where she wants them to go.
This way, this way.
Because if she doesn't, they're going to end up in all sorts of random places, and very few of them will do what she wants them to do and ultimately end up buying her course. So the two options that Stacy's considering here, either sending them straight to information about the course, since that's her end goal, or capturing their contact info with some sort of opt-in offer, that's a great option as well. Okay, so Stacy, here's what I want you to think about. When someone lands on your homepage, who are they and what is their current situation and what are they most likely to do? Like, what's going to be the most successful? Let's say they land on your website's homepage and the first thing they see is a little blurb about your course and a button to learn more. They might click that button, but most likely I say they're gonna scroll down your page a little bit further, kind of check things out, maybe click on something else on the menu because they're not quite ready for that step. So already they're kind of veering off course. But for all of those people who do click that button, what are they going to do? Well, they're gonna go and read a little bit about your course, but chances are pretty slim that they are going to choose to buy your course right then because they don't yet have a deep enough relationship with you. Now, if for some reason you know that everyone coming to your website already has a solid relationship with you, maybe they're coming straight from your email newsletter or from your YouTube channel, you might be able to get away from this, but I still don't think it's probably going to be your best bet. And most likely you want to be able to have your website serve to convert cold traffic, so traffic that comes to your website from Google or from referral or something else like that. In her question, Stacy said a free downloadable resource, so something that is free that they can sign up to get, that Stacy gets their contact information in exchange, then she can follow up with them and slowly warm them up via email. Now, as a top call to action, this is going to be so much better, Stacy, because people will take you up on a free offer even if they don't know you yet. Now, they may choose to scroll down your page a little bit first. They may even choose to click on something, but they're going to come back to that if they want that free thing. So of course you need to make sure that you come up with a good free opt-in offer that's really going to appeal to them, but that is going to be something that you will be able to get people to say yes to, even if right now they are cold, and then you can warm them up and pitch them your product later on. So I would highly recommend using that free download as your main call to action on your homepage. That being said, your homepage is not going to be just that single top part, that single above the fold part. There is going to be more page down below that. I would really recommend that in one of the subsequent sections of your homepage, you do include a section about your course with a blurb to learn more, because we do want to start to introduce the idea of your course to them early on so that they know your course exists, they start to get familiar with it, and they start to get some name recognition with your course where later when you tell them about it, they're like, oh yeah, I've heard of that before. And maybe they already have a little bit of information about it. Maybe they've already started to get a little bit interested. They are going to be more receptive to your email pitch if they have that groundwork. One last place you'll want to put a call to action is up in the upper right-hand corner of your website. People tend to focus in on two parts of a website. One is like the middle of the homepage, and then the other is that upper right-hand corner. People like to click in those two spots. I would recommend that you choose to put up there whatever is going to most directly connect them to getting the result they want. So don't have it say something like learn more or apply now if they're not yet aware of even what they would be applying for. Instead, I'd recommend something a little bit more action-oriented and clear, like work with me, buy the course, or even just as simple as get started. And then that button up there in that corner of your website will link them to your course's sales page. They're probably not going to buy your course immediately, but that is going to communicate to them that that is the next step for them to take to get the results they want, and they'll probably click on that button after they've scrolled through your homepage. Well, Stacy, thank you so much for that great question, and thank you to everyone else for joining me for today's video. I hope that you found this one really helpful. If you are an online business owner or you are working on building your online business, I would love to invite you to join Startup Society. Basically, as a Startup Society member, you get me in your back back pocket as your personal business coach, and you can reach out with questions at any time to get my advice and my guidance. But you also get access to our entire online business course library that is going to guide you through the entire process of setting up your online business from scratch and turning it into a profitable success. Startup Society membership is really affordable, and there's even a way you can get 20% off by using coupon code YouTube. So head to startupsociety.com right now to learn more about the program and to sign up to become a member. As you're working on building your online business, you're probably going to get to a point where you need a little bit of help. If you're curious about how I run my business and who is on my team, then check out this video right here where I introduce you to all of my team members so you can see exactly how my company works.